KevG weather overview, and we have a soaking rain on the way for Labor Day. And this is a big change in the forecast, and I'm going to show you why things have changed and what you can expect. And I think this rain will probably last into a good chunk of Tuesday, too. So beneficial rain finally on the way, and I'm actually optimistic that this is going to happen, although the timing kind of stinks because we have a holiday going on. But much needed rain is in the forecast. You can see that NOAA has the bulk of the rain falling to the north of the city, but even there, in and along the coast, um, most of the area, if the forecast holds, should get over an inch of rain, which is desperately needed, especially across the South Shore of Long Island, where they haven't really gotten a drop all summer long. So, how this all plays out, the reason why I am optimistic is because we're not seeing a front just kind of move in and move out. We're seeing a front that's going to kind of stall over the region. And over the course of the next 24 to 48 hours, tropical moisture is going to ride over the front, and that'll provide the focus. Those two elements will provide the focus for steady, heavy rain. And I don't think it really clears until about late Tuesday or early Wednesday. Now, this is the latest run of the NAM, and this is by midnight tonight. You can see the showers are already developing over Pennsylvania and parts of New York State, and they just keep building up. And by the time we get to Monday afternoon, everybody's getting in on the rain, and it could be heavy at times. And there could be a few rumbles of thunder. And here we are in a Tuesday, and not much has really changed on the overall pattern. This is by Tuesday morning. This is by mid-morning on Tuesday, and we still have a considerable amount of rain. It's more focused towards the coast, though. So we go from an inland rain situation Monday, it gradually spreads south and east, and then we focus it on the coast for Tuesday into Tuesday night, and here we are Wednesday, and it finally pushes off. And then we set ourselves up for a decent rest of the week. So if you've got beach plans tomorrow, especially along the South Shore of Long Island and the Jersey Shore, you're going to want to do it early. Maybe get the breakfast in for Labor Day. There'll be plenty of clouds around, but it'll be dry. That's what we're looking at. We'll get half the day through, I think, for the beachgoers, and then it'll kind of come tumbling down. The conditions will deteriorate as we go through the day. North and west, though, different story. Rain much of the day. So here we are for Tuesday into Wednesday, and once the front goes by, high pressure builds back in, and we're left with a decent end of the week. Now, a front is going to try to move through probably late in the weekend, around the 11th, and that'll give us more showers and storms for late Monday into Tuesday, around the 12th or so. So you can see that there's a big change in the forecast, not what I expected, certainly for Labor Day, so I did want to address it. Now, the temperatures today, warm and humid, plenty of sunshine. We could see a shower late, but most areas will be dry. And then Monday, we take the temperatures down. Highs only around 79, 80 in the city. I think that might even be pushing it. If you want 80s, you're going to have to go south along the Jersey Shore for tomorrow due to the cloud cover and rain. Tuesday, our temperatures get held in check, especially along the coast and even in the Hudson Valley. Look at that, 60s in the Hudson Valley. Plenty of clouds around, and rain confined, especially near the coast on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we start to dry it out. We'll have some early morning showers, and then sun will develop, and we'll get back into the mid and upper 70s. And you can see we're near 80 on Thursday and Friday, probably the warmest day of the week, aside from today, with highs around 83. So some beneficial rain on the way, finally. And I think we have a good setup for it. This is not a front that moves in and out. This is a stalling front, and the elements are there for a good soaking rain for most of the area that is in bad need of the rain. So we'll take it when we can get it. The timing isn't great, but we will take it nonetheless.